The Great Color Clash. You know, Alice, I've always wondered about people's favorite colors. What's your favorite color anyway?
Oh, Bob, that's such a loaded question. Colors have so much depth and emotion. My favorite color is definitely cerulean blue.
Cerulean blue? Are you inventing colors now?
No, it's a real color. It's like the color of the sky on a clear day, reflecting in a serene lake.
Hmm. Well, I've always been more of a green kind of guy. It's natural, calming, and just easy on the eyes.
Green, Bob? How original. Like grass and leaves, right?
Exactly. I mean, it's the color of life itself.
Oh, but Bob, cerulean blue is the color of dreams and imagination. It's the color of creativity and endless possibilities.
Dreams and imagination, huh? Sounds like something out of a fairy tale.
Well, Bob, some of us like a little magic in our lives, unlike the monotonous predictability of green.
Magic, huh? You do realize that's not an actual reason to like a color, right?
But it is, Bob. Colors evoke emotions, memories, and experiences. Cerulean blue takes me on a journey through the vastness of the universe.
And green takes me on a walk in the park.
Oh, Bob, you're missing the point entirely. Colors are a reflection of our inner selves.
Inner selves, huh? So you're saying my inner self is a meadow?
No, Bob, your inner self is a gray office cubicle. Green is just your feeble attempt at escaping it.
Okay, now you're just being ridiculous.
No, Bob, you're ridiculous. You can't just pick green because it's safe and boring.
And you can't just pick some made up color because it sounds fancy.
Cerulean blue is not made up. It's a masterpiece of nature itself.
Right, because nature sat down with a color wheel and meticulously selected cerulean blue.
You're so mean, Bob. You're crushing my artistic soul.
Oh, come on, Alice. I'm just messing with you. But seriously, favorite colors are just personal preferences. There's no need for a dramatic monologue.
Fine, Bob. Go ahead. Enjoy your mundane green world.
Will do, Alice. And you enjoy your whimsical cerulean dreamscape.
You know, Bob, you're not half bad.
You're not too shabby yourself, cerulean enthusiast.
You know, Bob, even though we're on opposite sides of the color spectrum, it's kind of nice to have these friendly debates.
Yeah, it is. Shows that even something as simple as favorite colors can bring people together in unexpected ways.
Definitely. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll start seeing a bit of cerulean magic in your green world.
And maybe one day you'll realize that green can be as vibrant as cerulean.
We'll see about that, Bob.
Math mayhem. Math is the worst invention ever. I seriously can't stand it.
Oh, really? Why the math, Haiti, Alex?
Well, for starters, it's like trying to communicate with an alien civilization. All those numbers, symbols, and equations. It's a language I just don't get.
Come on now, Alex. Math is like a puzzle. Once you crack the code, it's pretty satisfying. Plus, it's everywhere around us.
Everywhere. Yeah, like I'm constantly calculating the circumference of pizzas when I order them.
Not exactly, but think about it. Cooking, budgeting, even playing video games involves math. It's a life skill.
Well, I've got calculators and apps for that. Who needs mental math when you've got technology?
True, but knowing math can save you from some embarrassing situations. Imagine bragging about your discount at the store and then realizing you calculated it wrong.
Hey, I just blame it on the store's faulty calculator.
All right, let me put it another way. Math is like a superhero. It can solve problems you didn't even know you had.
So, math is my personal superhero that swoops in to save the day. From algebra?
Okay, maybe not exactly like that, but it can definitely make complex problems easier to tackle.
I guess. But you have to admit, some math problems are just plain cruel. Like, who needs to find the derivative of some crazy equation in real life?
Well, unless you're designing roller coasters or analyzing stock market trends, maybe not. But it's about training your brain to think logically.
I'll give you that. But why does math have to be so serious all the time? Can't it have a sense of humor?
Absolutely. Let me tell you a math joke. Why did the student do multiplication problems on the floor?
I don't know. Why?
The teacher told him not to use tables.
Okay, that was actually funny. But it still doesn't change my mind about math being a pain.
Alex, think about this. Every time you use your credit card, you're dealing with math. And I know how much you love online shopping.
You're saying my shopping sprees are actually math workouts. No wonder I'm exhausted after browsing.
See? Math sneaks its way into your life, even when you're just trying to buy cute shoes.
All right, all right, you win a point there. But I still say math is overrated. I mean, did Einstein ever calculate the tip at a restaurant?
Maybe not. But he did revolutionize our understanding of the universe with math. And you're comparing that to tipping?
Okay, you've got a point. But seriously, Emily, why do you like math so much? Were you dropped in a vat of algebraic acid as a kid?
Funny? No. I just find it fascinating how math can describe the patterns and order in the world. It's like a secret code.
A secret code, huh? I bet even secret agents hate math.
Actually, math is vital in encryption and code breaking. So, yes, even James Bond would tip his hat to math.
Well, I guess that's a good enough reason to tolerate math, but I still don't have to like it.
Fair enough. But here's a challenge for you. Try learning one math concept just for fun.
Just for fun. Is that even possible?
Absolutely. You might surprise yourself. How about starting with probability? It's like predicting the future, but with math.
Predicting the future, huh? Maybe I'll finally know when my favorite TV show will release the next season.
See? You're getting into the math mindset already.
Fine, I'll give it a shot. But if I end up shouting at my calculator, don't say I didn't warn you.
Deal. And who knows, you might just become a math convert after all.